what could be the application of Internet of Things or called IoT on the maritime sectors. The ship monitoring and maintenance. IoT sensors installed on ship can monitor various parameters such as engine performance, fuel consumption, equipment health, temperature, humidity, and vibration levels. Cargo monitoring is IoT-enabled tracking device can monitor the condition and location of cargo in real time. The vessel traffic management, the IoT-based system can enhance vessel traffic management by providing real-time information about the vessel movements, collision avoidance, route optimization, and efficient port operation. Next is the safety and security. The IoT device such as camera, drones, and sensor can enhance maritime security by monitoring unauthorized access, detecting intrusion, conducting search and rescue operation, and ensuring compliance with safety regulation. The environment monitoring, IoT sensor can monitor environment parameters such as water quality, air emission, pollution levels, and maritime life. Next is the smart ports and infrastructure. IoT technologies can make ports smarter by optimizing berthing, cargo handling, logistic, and resource utilization. The weather monitoring and forecasting. The IoT sensor on ship and buoys can collect real-time weather data such as wind speed, wave height, and temperature. The next is the remote monitoring and control. The IoT enables remote monitoring and control of maritime assets, allowing operator to manage fleet, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions from anywhere in the world. Energy efficient. IoT solution can optimize energy usage on ship by monitoring power consumption, managing onboard system, and implementing energy saving strategies. Next is compliance and reporting. The IoT-based system can automate data collection, analysis, and reporting for regulatory compliance, safety audits, and performance evaluation. And that's it. Thank you.